Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make coffee with a Philips 4400 coffee machine. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right over here, I have my Philips 4400 coffee machine, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make coffee with this machine. Essentially, what you want to do is make sure that there's some water in the water tank first and foremost. So as you can see over here, I'll just pull it out just a touch, but there's basically, I'm having trouble because the machine is moving with me. There's some water in this tank over here. I'll just give you a little view of it over there. And you can see it says add water because I pulled the tank out, but there's more than enough water in there, so I'm going to push it back in place. Okay, and make sure you have your coffee in the top. So if you take a look over here, we have some beans up there. It is ready to go. Once you have your water and your coffee, make sure that, once you have your water and your coffee beans, we're going to make the coffee. That's what I meant by that. So once you have your water and your coffee beans, we're ready to make the coffee. Just make sure you have a cup or a mug under here. And if your drink requires any milk, make sure you have your milk canister ready to go with milk as well. But basically, you want to choose from the options up here, or you can select more drinks. So I can choose from any of these, or I can go to more drinks. So if I go to more drinks, you can choose hot or ice. Let's say I was going to go to hot. I can then choose any of these options over here. I'm going to keep it very, very simple. I'm just going to do an espresso. So I'm just going to push espresso. I know this is a big mug for espresso, but I'm just doing this for the video. Usually I would use a smaller cup, or I would use a mug this size, and I would add in some milk, some froth milk, whatever the case is, just to make it like a cappuccino, or just or I'd even add in some hot water, and I would choose Americano. I know this is a big cup for an espresso, but I'm just trying to keep it simple. I just want to show you how to do this in general. So you can choose any option, and we're going to make an espresso in this large cup over here. So I'm going to push espresso over here. Okay, and you can see it shows the options, and I've already chosen my preferences, but basically, once you've chosen the type of coffee you want, you can go ahead and you can choose whatever preferences you want to choose, increase or decrease, whatever you want to do. Once you have your preferences all set, in order to make the coffee, you're going to push this button over here. So I'm going to push that button, and you can see it says brewing. So right now it sounds like it's grinding, maybe it's getting some beans and grinding them up. Essentially, it's going to go ahead and it's going to make this espresso, and it's only going to take just a few moments. It is really, really quick. It's going to do its thing. It makes some noises, and then the coffee comes out. It's really, really cool. I don't know the specifics of what's happening. Sometimes I know when it's grinding, but with all those other sounds, I don't exactly know what's happening. I'm assuming something's like a water pump and stuff like that. But as you can see, it's just making some. Wow, that looks great. It's making some delicious, great-looking espresso. And you can use the same method with any of the other drinks. All you gotta do is make sure you've customized the drink to however you want to customize it with the options on the screen. And then you push that button over there, that play button over there, just as I pushed to brew your coffee. And as you can see, it's done. And wow, that looks great. You know what? I was thinking I wasn't gonna drink this because I already have a different coffee brewed. But you know what? I'm probably gonna drink this now, and the other coffee that I have brewed, I will end up drinking later on in the evening. But yeah, that looks great. And it's that simple. That's how to make coffee with this machine right here. Really, really easy to do. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. So with nothing else to say, nothing else to show you, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.